Hi, Michelle. Milestone 4, your symbolism assignment. So you're working with relationship between humans and the environment and wisdom in the age of information. So these absolutely seem to be the most popular two for this class. So um, looking at the relationship between humans and environments, took photos of flowers in nature, abandoned buildings being overtaken by trash and Mother Nature, and trash on the side of the road. Felt these symbolize it well because it shows the two sides of how we impact the environment. Flowers to you symbolize renewal, especially with the water on them. Abandoned hotel and gas station being overtaken by nature shows that without human upkeep, nature will persist. Yeah, absolutely. That's one of my favorite ones to see in these is kind of nature just reclaiming what once used to be hers. So going through your images, yeah, I think the flowers work well. I really like the droplets of water. In fact, we could probably even go in closer and kind of isolate just an area right in there, showing the delicate petal and the droplets of water. But then we kind of transform, or not transform, but uh, we move on to the images of the highway with the garbage all over and just nastiness. Even the bags in the trees here. So we see like this one here looks like there's a bunch of garbage going on there. That looks as horrible as it looks. I think it absolutely fulfills the requirements of the assignment. So then we have the hotel, and I know exactly what you're going for. And if it was a different season, we would see a lot of greenery popping up through here. Like it looks like there's a tree growing up through a little center divide in like maybe a gas station or the hotel here, and something like a crack in the sidewalk with a flower or like a dandelion kind of growing up through it. Like this one, I think really works. I think that's one of the better ones here because again, we show the fence with the barbed wire to keep people out and the trash, and but then we have the plant life kind of growing up and out of it. So then we move on to the wisdom, and yeah, I think comparing the today's modern technology to something as simple as just a plain book absolutely has that feeling of that symbolism and works nicely. So here we go with your critique images. We got the flowers, the water, and yeah, I can definitely see that. And then the book, and I think for me of the two, this is definitely my favorite. And I feel illustrates the best of the two what you're looking to try and communicate. So all in all, good job. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate in shooting me an email.